If you're considering Hootsuite for post scheduling, there are some key factors to keep in mind before making your purchase. Today, we'll dive into 12 things you should know so you can decide if it's the right fit for your business, especially when compared to competitors like Buffer or Sprout Social. Stick around until the end to find out if there's a better option for your needs. First, let's talk about the pricing. Hootsuite isn't exactly the cheapest option. While it offers a free plan, it's quite limited, especially when compared to Buffer's free tier. The paid plans can get pricey, especially if you're a small business with a limited budget. However, you do get a wide range of features, which we'll dive into now. Next thing, scheduling options. Hootsuite offers a variety of scheduling methods, from bulk uploading to automatic post scheduling. It's pretty robust, and the interface is user-friendly, but you may find competitors like Buffer offer a slightly more intuitive layout. If you're looking for simple and fast scheduling, Hootsuite might not be the most streamlined option. The third thing to consider is the social platforms Hootsuite supports. It covers all the major ones: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and more. But depending on your needs, it might fall short compared to something like Sprout Social, which offers more niche integrations like TikTok or Pinterest. Hootsuite does a good job with the basics, but it's important to know what platforms you need. Now, the fourth thing is analytics. Hootsuite's analytics can be quite detailed, with insights into engagement, clicks, and growth. But when compared to tools like Sprout Social, some users find Hootsuite's analytics less advanced or harder to interpret. If you need more complex reporting, you may want to look elsewhere. The fifth thing, team collaboration. Hootsuite shines when it comes to team management features. If you have a team working on content, you can assign tasks, track progress, and set approval workflows. This is a big plus if you're managing multiple people, though Buffer also offers team collaboration features that some might find more user-friendly. Moving on to the sixth point, integrations. Hootsuite connects with a variety of apps, including Canva and Dropbox, but its library is not as extensive as others like Buffer or Sprout Social. If you need specific integrations for your business, you might find Hootsuite's options a bit limiting. The seventh thing to know is mobile app performance. Hootsuite's mobile app is functional, but not as polished as some other tools. You might encounter glitches or a slower interface on the go. If managing your social media while traveling is important, you might want to test the app first to see if it meets your needs. Next thing to consider, content curation. Hootsuite offers content curation tools, but they're not as advanced as some competitors. Tools like Sprout Social are better equipped for finding and sharing trending content directly from the platform. Hootsuite's offerings are solid, but might feel lacking if you're heavily focused on curation. The ninth point, customer support. Hootsuite has 24/7 customer support, which is great, but many users report mixed experiences with response times and helpfulness. Competitors like Sprout Social are often praised for quicker and more effective support, so this might be something to consider if timely assistance is crucial for you. The 10th thing, security. Hootsuite offers strong security, including two-factor authentication. While not unique, it's solid compared to competitors like Buffer, which also prioritizes account protection. Just make sure to enable all security features to keep your account safe. The 11th thing is training and resources. Hootsuite provides a variety of tutorials and educational resources, which is helpful, especially for beginners. But some people feel these resources aren't as in-depth as those offered by Sprout Social or Buffer, which offer more comprehensive support for social media marketing strategies. Finally, the 12th thing to note is Hootsuite's overall versatility. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, but might not be the best for individuals or small teams due to its complexity and pricing. If you're managing a larger team or require detailed reporting and scheduling features, Hootsuite is a solid choice. So, should you buy Hootsuite? It's a good option for teams looking for robust scheduling and collaboration tools, but if you want something more budget-friendly with better reporting or a more intuitive interface, you might want to explore other options. If you're looking for a better alternative, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.